To install Rust, first we need to go to any search engine and search for Rust. And here we need to look for this link, which is rust-lang.org. Now click on this link to open the page. Here we will click on this install option. It will automatically detect our operating system and it will show the installation command accordingly. So we will copy this command and run this on our terminal. Now I will proceed with the standard installation. For that I will just press enter key here. The installation is started. We did not get any error, which means the installation is successful for us. Now to verify the installation, we need to restart our current shell, or alternatively we can open up a new terminal tab. So I will open up a new terminal tab. Here we will type rust c space -- version and I will hit enter now. So through this we have verified the installation of Rust compiler. So this is the command to check the installed version of the Rust compiler. So this is the version which we have installed. If no error is there and the output is something like this, then it means the Rust is installed successfully. Now we will create a small project in vscode. For that I will open up vscode. Here I will click on this file and select open folder. Now I will go to the location where I want to create our project. So I will go inside the downloads folder and then projects. Here I will create a new folder and I will give the name as my Rust app. And I will click on this create. Now I will click on this open. Now I will create a new file and I will give name as rustapp.rs and I will hit enter. I will say create file. Now our file is ready and we will create main function here. So I will write and I will print one line here. So I will say println and let's say I am saying this is Rust application. Okay, let's save this. Now to execute the code, first we will compile the code and for that I will open up the terminal. So I will say terminal and new terminal here and here I will write rust c space and I will give the name of the file which is rustapp.rs and I will hit enter. So this will compile the code and create a file with the name rust app. So as you can see, this rust app file is created just now. Now to run the code I will write / and rust app and I will hit enter. So now as you can see, we have got our output which we have printed here in this file itself. Now I will tell one another way to run the Rust application where we will use the extensions. So we will install Rust Analyzer tool first and for that I will click on this extensions option and here I will search for Rust Analyzer. So this is the extension which we are going to install. So I will click on this and I will say install. So this is installed. Let's now search for code runner here. This is another extension which we are going to install. So this is the extension which is code runner and let's install this also. So it is also installed now. Let's now go back to our file. Now you will see this option here. So this option is because of the code runner extension and we can run our application from here itself. So let's run the application now. So I will click on this. I hope the video was useful to you.